Okay, so welcome to my channel, Plandoers, your wealthy plan. Hey, wealthy plan, I don't want to discuss today about, the secrets to wealth or, just wealth, to increase it, our time span. Like a lot of stuff we were educated to, school system, quite fresh today, to be exact. See, I got a little bunded up, whatever. Okay, got clean. So. But I wanted to talk because a lot of stuff programmed too. In America, they don't teach us about like wealth, how to generate wealth. A lot of these things that have to do with us being taught, taught and programmed early at an early age about systems that really aren't recurring. You know what I'm saying? It's not gonna help us accumulate wealth. So like to be exact though, we gotta accumulate by appreciating what we have in store, you know what I'm saying? And we gotta have the right information. But we gotta have right information because the right information is basically the secret. It'll get you inside of the door. It's like you trying to get into the house, but you're missing your key. You know what I'm saying? It's like that. That's a good suggestion. You know what I'm saying? But where do it all start from? So you gotta think, where exactly do it begin? It begins by having a plan. See, you can't have like wealth. Of course, you can't have wealth without having a plan. You need one or the other. You know what I'm saying? Not even one or the other. It always starts with a plan, to be exact, because that's your foundation. That's how you going to strive for what it is that you really want to possess in your lifetime. So these secrets right to wealth, it's having the right system. That's like first two, and then from now is just appreciating what you have and what is it serving you. You know what I'm saying? What's serving your purpose? What's serving others? And that's going to generate your wealth, because really it's the thought that counts at the end. It's like if people are appreciating you, you know what I'm saying? If you're being highly appreciated, you gotta see like every dollar that you have or every dollar that you got or you want to spend, you gotta see it as, damn, it need to be appreciated. People need to appreciate me for my hard work. You know what I'm saying? So like, if you learn early, that's what I'm saying, because early age, if you aren't taught right, you'll fall into bad habits. And that takes a course of how your future is set up and how's it going. You gotta set yourself up for success. I mean, no one else could do that for you but yourself. So that's why I'm saying that you need to appreciate, you need to treat every dollar as a friend, you know what I'm saying? Like, appreciate it, because in the duration of time, you gotta I got distracted. My son, he was messing with me. Sorry about that. But you gotta appreciate, right, your money and treat it as a friend, because it's like, there's people that you can rely on. You know what I'm saying? A certain amount of time you can rely on. But if you treat money likewise, then you have investment accounts. There are problems. You know what I'm saying? This is not really no get rich quick scheme. It's not like that type of thing. It's not really something that you could, you know what I'm saying? Like, a lot of stuff isn't very mystical. You know what I'm saying? It's like you got to do it unordinary to be like very, very very, very wealthy. But I'm saying, like, for the time being right now, you gotta appreciate your time, because like, that's what I'm saying. More people that appreciate you, appreciating you now, those are people that's very worthy to your success. And a lot of it has to do with who you value, who's close to you, who's around you, who supports you, who doesn't. That's why, like, with your money, you could be appreciated if you had the right system. That's what I'm trying to say. It's just like the same thing in this world. It's the same. If you really pay attention, it's the same thing on how others in this world move. You know what I'm saying? Some people are trustworthy, some people are dishonest, some people, you just gotta know the difference. That's why I'm telling you. If you know the difference, then it'll be easy for you just to be well grounded. You know what I'm saying? Be headed in the right direction to accumulate your wealth, to be exact. So, as I say from that, what I was gonna say was as far as gotta get that in mind. I was saying relying on accumulating wealth, because like that, those that are very wealthy, they become like the bank. You know what I'm saying? So when you become like the bank, then you are basically potentially your own lender, but you're a lender to others. That's what I'm saying. Like, you won't be taught this because those who are like lending to people who are trustworthy, they have a lot in store. You know what I'm saying? A lot of store. So like, those are the ones that's really wealthy. They're sharing the wealth, but at the same time they're doing it to where they're being appreciated for it. So they aren't just investing in anybody. You know what I'm saying? They got this account set up. Because like right now, it's the time now. It's not for you to wait. Because you wait and a day go by, another day go by, and that's what you call a cycle. You know what I'm saying? So we live in this world where we have habits, right? And we fall into the same cycles. Big traps, because like they are not making you healthy or stable. They're not benefiting you in the long run. You know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. It's not really beneficial for you for your time. You know what I'm saying? While you're here. So, I was trying to reach out on. We're trying to get back to where I was thinking of, but I kind of lost track. I was trying to explain something else. Hopefully it'll come back to me. But anyways, moving forward is that, okay, secrets to wealth is like, you see it all the time. It's like, you're saying people pay yourself first, because, like I say, you come in this world, you come in unprepared. So when you come unprepared, you fall into the lines of bad that, you know what I'm saying? You're unprepared. So a lot of people that are prepared, that's what I'm saying, the time isn't gonna wait for no one. It isn't gonna wait for you to give into opportunity. It's gonna go past you, you know what I'm saying? This is the reason why it's so important to trust. But I'm not saying you gotta trust in everything. I'm saying take the chance opportunity. That's what I mean by trusting. Like, you don't have a lot of failed attempts, but it's like something's gonna work out in your favor. And you exercise that. That's what I'm saying. If you exercise it and you gradually hold on to what could be good. You see, a lot of times early age, when I was like growing up early, I had this obsession, right? About how to make money. How can I make money? But then I wasn't really thinking clearly. I ain't have a lot of good judgment yet. See, because when you're young, your brain's still developing, right? So I was exercising, and I was retaining to the power of knowledge. You know what I'm saying? So that was like beneficial to actually just learning about money. And I understood. I was like, okay, dang, this could really be beneficial to me in the long run. And guess what? It actually was. Actually did. I spent a lot of time, a lot of money learning new stuff, but at the end, it was a lot of trials and errors that I took. And later on, it was the path that led to a gold mine. You know what I'm saying? It's like a gold mine is something that is rushing now. It's like, it's how now my mind is set up. It's very content. Like I'm very content, very poised on what I want to do and what I don't. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I mean by being content. And you'll learn that only through developing and learning about others, learning about other things that has particularly nothing to do with about money. You know what I'm saying? It's about teaching. And if people want to learn from you, they want to, you know, have that power of knowledge that you have, and they want to know how to be very educated in fields of what they're trying to expertise in. You know what I'm saying? So, dang, can y'all go? I'm making my video. Y'all gonna interrupt me? Okay, so yeah, I just want to end it on a good note.
Later. I'll take it.
Y'all trying to make it so
you gotta edit. You gotta edit this part.
I don't want to.
You better learn how to edit.
I'm gonna keep it authentic. I don't be editing too much. But all right, yeah, just stop by. Come on, man. Yo, listen to my video.
You don't want me in your video?
No, come on. Kids.
In the kids.
I might as well get them all edited. All
yeah,
right,
you might as well. Show
yeah, go
them
ahead.
Who your family is.
Like, subscribe,
Let them know who
comment.
Baby.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep sharing. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. I got more content coming soon, so yeah, y'all take care.
You could always redo it.
No, I don't want to.